students, today we study a very important topic of the subject biology, that is what is biology, and this topic is beneficial for all the biology students, and a lot of 1 mark questions have been discussed in this topic. Whenever we go through any subject, we must know about the historical aspects of the subjects. So let us study about the what is biology. Biology is the branch of science which deals with the study of life or study of the living beings. The term biology derived from a Greek word bios, which means life, and logos, which means study. That is life study. We can say that biology is the branch of science which deals with the study of the living beings or study of the life. Aristotle is known as father of biology. This is 1 mark question. Term biology was given by Lamarck and Treviranus in 1802. So Lamarck and Treviranus are those scientists who combinedly give the term biology first time. Now biology further divided into 3 sub branches. These are the main 3 sub branch of the biology. First is the zoology, botany, microbiology. The term zoology derived from 2 Greek words, that is zoin, which means animals, plus logos, to study. That is, zoology is the branch of biology which deals with the study of animals. Now, this term was coined by Aristotle first time, and he is also called as father of zoology. तो हमने देखा Aristotle is known as father of biology as well as father of zoology. Second is the botany. Botany also derived from a Greek word botane. It means herbs or grasses. That is, we can say that study of herbs or plants is known as botany. Theophrastus is known as father of botany, and Linnaeus is also known as father of modern botany. So this is very important question, 1 mark question. Linnaeus and Theophrastus. Theophrastus is known as father of botany, and Linnaeus is known as father of modern botany. So these are 1 mark, so many questions which have been asked in the AIPMT examinations, and I think all these questions are very beneficial for those students who of the biology subject. Now, third branch of biology or third sub branch of biology is the microbiology. Louis Pasteur gave the term microbiology first time. That is biology of small animalcules. Animalcules are the little organism, little animals. For example, bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoans, and viroids. Viroids are the animalcules smaller than viruses, etc. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch scientist known as father of microbiology. Now, Leeuwenhoek also gave the term animalcules. Animalcules means little animals. The microbiology was developed with the development of the microscope. So we can say that microbiology branch of science is developed after the invention of microscope, because these are so minute animalcules or little animals which can't see by the naked eyes. So after the development of microscope, this new branch, sub branch of biology have been developed. Now, such microorganisms may be unicellular or acellular. Acellular like prions and viruses, because these are not the true cell, and viruses are the connecting link between living and non-living. Viruses are to be known as acellular because they do not have the true cells. Hence, they are the connecting link between living and non-living. Now, an compasses the numerous subdisciplines including virology. It means the microbiology also includes virology, study of viruses, bacteriology, study of bacteria, protistology, study of protists. Protist includes protozoans, etc. Mycology, study of fungi, and immunology and parasitology. Immunology, that is the immune power of the body which is affected by a lot of microbes. Parasitology, the parasites, a lot of parasites, that is a lot of bacteria and viruses, fungi functioning as the parasites. So study of all these parasites consisting inside the parasitology, etc. So this is all about the biology, and we must know about the subject. Thank you and have a nice day.